PHP really made it very cut and clear. Follow these steps, get this back to us in a timely fashion, and we can get this rolling as fast as you give it to us. We can then help you get it up and running. It was very, very easy to kind of follow. If you have any skill with Excel, it was very easy to navigate the spreadsheets that were sent. You didn't have to be a whiz at Excel in order to kind of navigate and get all of the questions that I wanted in there. It's very user-friendly in getting that up. When it came to getting it into a tangible kind of questionnaire and the pilot URL was ready to be presented to us, PHP walked me through everything, right? So it wasn't just like, oh, here you go. It was very much explained to me like, so this is how you'll get to this part of the website. And if you need help, you're going to click here. And this is how you can navigate putting in a ticket. This is how you can add in your users and change your questions and do all the back end changes that you might need to do. So PHP was really hands-on in the experience as far as getting it off the ground and placing it in my lap in a very digestible way.